can't take myself serious. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Destiny LaCree. Yeah, you know me. That's very lame. Probably not gonna use that. Today we will be doing get ready with me / behind the scenes of a self photo shoot. So I've been doing self photo shoots on myself since the beginning of the pandemic. I did my first photo shoot. I got the picture from a Fashion Nova page, and it was just denim jeans, and they were just taking pictures in front of denim jeans. And I did that on myself, and actually it kind of did a little something on my Instagram page. So ever since then, I've been doing self photo shoots on myself. I feel like I've been getting better as I keep doing them, so I'm just going to keep doing them. I woke up, went on Pinterest, found some pictures, found these pictures of my good sis Megan Thee Stallion, and I really knew that I could do these pictures for sure because for one, it shows her body without showing her body. She has very long legs just like me, and I'm like, oh, okay, I know I can do that for sure. So that's what we're going to do today. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to take you guys all the way through the process with me. So the first thing on the list is find an outfit. I'm not sure if I want to go ahead and do the same concept that they did with the white background and the black outfit, or if I want to do black background and a white outfit. Honestly, I think I'm just going to do white background and the black. On the list, what we have is find an outfit. We're going to do makeup. I don't know how to do my makeup. What I always do is my lashes and my eyebrows. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do makeup, which is just eyebrows and lashes, and then after that we're gonna do hair. Cause you know, also my good sis Meg said, switch my wig up, make me feel like you cheated. This is a wig. We're gonna take this wig off and put on another wig. Not only are we gonna put on another wig, we're gonna put on a color that nobody has really seen. Okay. The wig that I would be wearing, which is the wigs that I always wear, is Satin Down Bundles, which is my mother's bundle line. So anytime that you see me with hair, don't ask me what kind of hair I have or who it's by. Just know automatically it's from Satin Down Bundles. Period, point blank. And then you're gonna see me set up the living room of the way I want to set it up. And then we're gonna take the pictures. I'm gonna show you guys how I edit, what I use to edit, what kind of camera I use, and all that good stuff. You know, we always ball on a budget. So everything that I have is very affordable. If you're somebody that wants to start doing self photo shoots or want to even start just doing photo shoots, I can pretty much show you everything that I've got for a very reasonable price. Another fun fact about me, I like to drink tea. Right here, my mug says Virgo. It says Virgo, and then on the back of it, it says reliable, well-spoken, and modest. And I really feel like I am all of those things. Alright, so we're going to get into it. So the first part of it, I said find an outfit. So I'm going to do black. I wish I had like a black dress with a slit in it like how she had. I don't think I have one, but I think I have something in that area. So I hope y'all can't see my closet because I know it's a little junky. Damn! Alright. My closet is very small, and I have a lot of clothes, but I don't really wear them. My closet is a little junky, but it's only junky because it's small and I have a lot of stuff. Just don't talk about me. You feel me? Mute this because I don't know if they're gonna be like, hey, what's playing in the background? What's up? What's up? I love this dress. I have this dress right here. It's black and it has like ruffles on the side. I wore this dress for a family photo shoot. I think I've worn it like once or twice, so this could possibly be something, but I wish I had something with a slit in it. Okay, so we're just gonna put this to the side as a maybe. You feel me? I didn't think this through. Destiny, you don't have to do black. Like, oh, okay, I got this skirt that I got from Forever 21. I don't know, but we're gonna toss that out there too. Okay, you don't have to do black. 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 It's harder than I thought. I got this skirt from, how you pronounce it? I don't want to pronounce it wrong, but this skirt is cute. I have not wore this skirt at all. I got that skirt from nope, it ain't Erica. Sound it out. Ekara. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I got it when I went to Chicago. Ooh, stop. Oh, watch me pop lock. Honestly, I'm gonna just go ahead and put this skirt back because we're not even gonna do this. We're not even gonna do that. Cause This is cute. Oh, this is just might be a cute little outfit, you know, out on the town. Oh, this is cute. A little cute little outfit. Right here is giving me very much brunch vibes. You know, with some, I have some clear heels, like I call them my Cinderella heels, some little clear heels with a little bow in the front. So I think that's a vibe, but we not okay. I'm gonna just put this in my back pocket for my other collection whenever I go out. I ain't gonna cap. Oh, I haven't even worn this shirt. Destiny, you are pulling stuff out. This right here is giving me very ruffly bougie vibes. If anybody knows me, you know, this is ruffly bougie vibes. But it could go with the skirt from Forever 21. Stop playing. I want y'all to stop playing with me. I want me to stop playing with myself. We got two potentials. And then, okay, so one thing also I have a problem with is ordering stuff and forgetting that I ordered it. I was talking about this. It's what is it? It's a dress, but it's like a blazer. It's like a blazer dress. But I don't even have my corset. My sister got my corset. Oh baby, I can be bougie. Yeah, I can put on my Gucci belt with this. Yeah. Yeah, I do have a habit of like buying stuff and then forgetting that I even have. Oh, I got another dress. Oh my gosh. What that boy from TikTok say? Oh my god. I got another dress. Oh, this one got a slit in it. Ah, I think this is what we doing. Why are you sniffing my dress? It stink. No, why are you sniffing? But this is exactly what I'm talking about. Like, I bought this dress off of a friend, and it has slits like on the side, and then it has a slit for the leg. But yeah. Oh, that's it, baby. We ain't even gotta keep looking in this closet. I'll probably try it on just so y'all can see how it look. Y'all, I think this is it. This is literally the dress. When I tried it on the first time, it didn't look like this, but it also could be because I've been working out. You know, I've been in the gym tonight. R.I.P. that. If you can see my ash, don't worry about it. You in my business too much. This is what it looks like at the bottom. So you see what it looks like at the top. This is what I was going for, but I honestly forgot that I even had the dress. And then the little wagon I'm dragging back there is gonna look really nice too. But I did my eyebrows and I did my lashes. You know, this is good enough for me. I'm not no makeup artist like I said. So this is good enough for me. This is what I always do for my photo shoot. So now let's get on to the hair. Actually, I've had this color before, but this time it's a little bit more brighter. Boop. Shabuya, shabuya, roll call. This is the color that we're doing. I've done red before, but it wasn't this bright. It was more so like a darker kind of red, more so on the like a burgundy kind of. Yeah, but this is brighter, way brighter. But honestly, I think the camera is making it look way more brighter than what it is. Probably not. Nah, it's bright. I didn't even think of what kind of heels I'm going to do. I have black heels. Whew. I have my prom heels. I got some black red bottoms. It would honestly go cute with the red wig and that. But if anybody owns a pair of red bottoms, those are hard to walk in. Like, very hard to walk in. So I don't know if I'm going to wear those. But that's probably going to be one option. But we're going to call my mama and show her the wig. Oh! She'll never want to answer my phone call. But when she called me and I don't answer, it's a problem. What you doing? Okay, I gotta show you something. I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to my mama. Yes, I do. Did I call you or did I call her? He said I ain't got no mama. You ready? Yeah. Where are you going? Nowhere. I'm doing a video. on my robe.
Oh.
Yeah.
I know we gonna watch your video in a minute. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Put me on y'all TV. Put me on the TV.
How can we put? Oh.
You got YouTube on it? Huh? Yeah, put me on your TV. Okay, that's all I wanted. Call me when you're done watching it. Anyways, so that was just me showing my mom the wig. She made the wig. She colored the wig. She cut it. It's like a blunt cut. It's long, but it's like a, if you can see, it's like a blunt cut. And she gave it like a little layer in the front. So she did all of this. I taught her so well. I'm so proud of her. You know, they grow up so fast. But so this is the hair, this is the makeup. We all have, you know, we have the outfit. So now what's next is to set up and get it cracking, okay? Okay, so we're about to get into actually taking the pictures. Usually what I do is, well, what I do all the time is I connect my camera to this app on my phone. So let's get into it. Y'all about to see the behind the scenes of the photo shoot.
Okay, so pretty much you can see me here changing the quality to raw. So that just pretty much makes the pictures like very, very clear. And then next, if I'm not mistaken, I think I go ahead and change the timer. It was set to 2 seconds, but I changed it to 10 seconds. So that makes it pretty much longer for me to pose and
what I like to call a wrap, okay? Thank you guys for watching my video, and that is how I do my self photo shoots. I connect my camera up to my phone so I can see literally everything that I'm doing right here. I will be posting my photos onto my Instagram and to my website. So I'll put my website in the description box below. If you guys would like to know where that music came from, that is my line sister, percussionist. Well, she plays almost about anything, but she's a percussionist and she has her own YouTube channel, so I'm going to put all of that in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching the whole video. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. So stay tuned. Thank you guys.